It's a ways off. I'll try to stay with it. It's going into the airplane state now. Maybe it'll switch back to ball lightning again. It seems like there's two of them over there. I saw flashing right next to it. We'll see what develops here. Hopefully I'm picking this up on the camera. Yeah, I definitely see two there now. At least two. Both in airplane state. Come on, drop down into ball lightning. Give me one good shot here. Still watching. Still see one in airplane state over there where I got the camera pointed. But not sure if that'll pick up on the camera. See another one in airplane state that might also be in camera view. Well, I see three of them in airplane state now. In this one frame. They're probably talking with each other. That's what they look like they're doing. Signaling to each other like they do from time to time. I've seen them sit up in the sky for literally 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes in triangular formation, flashing red and white and blue, red and blue, back to each other in certain sequences, like they're talking to each other. They're over right over the Rappahannock River right now. But so far, they're not going into ball lightning state. Oh, there goes one into ball lightning state. Maybe that's what they were doing, is kind of discussing the game plan. What area they were going to cover next. Still a ways away. I'll keep the camera pointed over there and hope that something materializes soon. I've got to go to the airport soon, so I can't wait here too much longer. I hope I can get one or two halfway decent shots before I go. This is the perfect time of night to get these things. With the sun going down and the sky halfway light, I seem to be able to pick them up a little bit better this time of night. Or day, whatever you want to call it. But again, nothing's happening at the moment. They're all on the fringes, but they're not coming down as ball lightning right now. I can see them flickering all over the sky, right over the tree lines. There's one directly over. There's three of them directly over the tree line, straight ahead. And they should be in the frame of the camera, but I have noticed that when they're in airplane state, they don't get picked up well. I'm going to move the camera. I see some activity over here that I'm going to try and get. One's about ready to drop down in. see him behind the tree here. Looks like he's like almost like in an in-between state between airplane and ball lightning. There's several of them over there too. Well, there's one thing for sure. They don't take off on Christmas Day. It doesn't sound like government people to me. Sounds more like alien to me. Ah, here comes a ball lightning. Bright enough to where I might be able to pick it up. It's moving this way. He's almost in the in-between state himself. It's probably in the screen, I just can't see it. The ability to dim their lights, their headlight, or to brighten them as they see fit. Pointing in a general direction where I see some more airplane dragonflies. Deciding whether or not they want to go into ball lightning form. I see some activity close to the tree line in this general direction. So I'm going to point there for a minute, see what happens here. I still think they might know I'm here because they're not dropping down like they first were until one might have seen me. But who knows, maybe I'm wrong. I've been wrong at least once or twice, I think, in my life. close the viewfinder on the camera, so it won't emit as much. The camera won't emit as much light. We'll see if that might help my cause here. Maybe they'll think I shut that camera off. Let me put my hand over this little LED here that's lit up. They're all around, but nothing's dropping down in yet. Looks like another boomerang's flying overhead. And several dragonflies are in airplane mode overhead.